Welcome to Lendgo's Mortgage Mastery Podcast, the ultimate guide to mastering your home financing journey. In each episode, we bring you expert insights, practical tips, and real stories to empower you on your path to financial freedom. Welcome to our second episode of Lendgo's Mortgage Mastery Podcast. Today, we're diving deep into the intricacies of refinancing your second mortgage. Whether you want to lower your interest rates, shorten your loan terms, or improve your financial situation, we want to help you. The first step in refinancing a second mortgage is thoroughly self-evaluating your finances. Your credit score, which is a numerical expression of your creditworthiness, is most important. But equally important is the amount of home equity you have accumulated. This is the percentage of the property you own. Both are critical in the lender's decision-making process, influencing the rates and the terms you may eventually receive for your refinanced loan. Moving to step 2, we look at a market analysis. Refinancing a second mortgage necessitates a thorough understanding of current interest rates. The goal is to secure a lower rate than the one on your existing second mortgage, which could save you money over the loan's life. An acute understanding of current market conditions and rate trends can give you leverage during lender negotiations, allowing you to negotiate more favorable terms and potentially achieve significant long-term financial benefits. Step 3 takes us to choosing the right lender. Choosing the qualified lender is as important as the loan itself. This phase includes a thorough analysis and comparison of potential lenders, emphasizing more than just competitive interest rates. Finding a lender whose policies, fees, customer service, and terms align with your specific refinancing goals is critical. A lender who understands your financial goals can help to make the refinancing process go more smoothly and complement your long-term financial strategy. Here's where the rubber meets the road: the application process, the required documents, and the following meticulous credit check. This phase is the procedural gateway to propel your refinancing journey forward. This is where you make your move. The application process for refinancing a second mortgage includes submitting required documents such as recent pay stubs, tax returns, and the current mortgage statement. In addition, a thorough credit check is performed to determine creditworthiness. This phase is the procedural gateway that propels the refinancing journey forward as lenders assess your financial stability and decide whether to change your loan terms. Upon receiving approval, it's essential to analyze the refinancing offer. Evaluate each component of the loan proposal: interest rates, repayment terms, closing costs, and any applicable fees. This examination determines whether the financing terms align with your financial goals. Compare the potential savings against the expenses to ensure that the decision to proceed with refinancing your second mortgage will indeed benefit your financial situation in the long term. The closing is the final stage of the mortgage refinancing process, during which you finalize the agreement. It is critical to understand every situation in the contract ensuring you are comfortable with all the clauses and fully aware of the obligations and rights you are signing. This understanding is critical because it confirms that the closing of your refinancing second mortgage signals the start of a better financial conditions and opportunities for the future. When refinancing a second mortgage, it's important to consider more than just the potential for lower interest rates. These are important factors to consider that will impact the overall benefit and feasibility of your financing decision. This includes assessing the associated costs, determining credit implications, and navigating the regulatory environment. Let's look at these key areas to ensure that your decision is made with a comprehensive view. When financing a second mortgage, it is critical to consider the financial outlay involved. This includes the total closing costs, application fees, and any additional charges that may occur. These costs must be carefully balanced against the potential savings from lower interest rates to ensure the venture is cost-effective. We also have to look at your credit implications. Refinancing can cause a significant change in your credit score. Obtaining a new mortgage typically requires a hard inquiry into your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Consider this effect as part of your strategy. If done correctly, the benefits of refinancing, such as lower payments or shorter loan terms, can outweigh the initial impact on your credit score. Refinancing a second mortgage involves more than just interest rates and application forms. It also requires strict regulatory compliance. To navigate this landscape, you must understand federal and state mortgage laws. Often, seeking the advice of a financial advisor is recommended to ensure that all steps follow these regulations. To conclude, refinancing a second mortgage demands attention to costs, credit, and compliance. In this episode, we have outlined the essential steps and laid out the pros and cons of refinancing. If you choose to proceed with refinancing, remember that Lendgo is here to assist in finding the best possible rates and terms for your refinancing needs. Visit lendgo.com to start your journey to better rates. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Lendgo's Mortgage Mastery Podcast. Subscribe, rate, and review our podcast for expert insights, practical tips, and real stories. Until next time, take control of your financial future and happy financing. We hope today's journey into the world of home financing has left you inspired and equipped to make informed decisions on your path to financial freedom. Remember, your journey doesn't end here. To stay connected with the latest tips, trends, and success stories, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on upcoming episodes filled with expert insights and practical advice tailored just for you. For even more resources and exclusive content, visit our website at lendgo.com. Until next time, take control of your financial freedom. And remember, your journey to financial freedom is just beginning. Subscribe, visit our website, and join us again next week. Happy financing!